The Public-Private Partnerships, or PPP, a contractual agreement between the government and private sector, paves the way for delivery of public infrastructure and/or public services. Through PPP, the private sector offers efficiency gains and helps accelerate the provision of public services. Through PPP, the government's role can be rationalized. For 2011, the government is rolling out 10 PPP projects. Kala Expressway, Cavite Side Section. The project will provide vital access between various economic zones in Cavite Province and NAIA, Manila Port, and Batangas Port. This is the extension of the ongoing Manila-Cavite Coastal Expressway extension and ends at Silang, Cavite Province. It is an at-grade expressway. NAIA Expressway, Phase 2. The project will link Skyway and Manila-Cavite Coastal Expressway. It will provide vital access to NAIA Terminals 1, 2, and 3. Economic zones in Cavite Province will benefit through easier and faster transportation of products to NAIA, as well as to Manila Port, through this link and the NLEX-SLEX Link Expressway. LRT Line 2 East Extension Project. The project involves the expansion, operation, and maintenance of existing LRT Line 2. Expansion covers the construction of a 4-kilometer eastern extension of LRT Line 2 from Santolan in Pasig City to Masinag Junction in Antipolo, Rizal, with an additional 2 passenger stations to be located at Santa Lucia Mall and at Masinag. MRT-LRT Expansion Program, LRT-1 South Extension Project. The project involves the extension of the existing 15-kilometer LRT Line 1 system southbound to Bacoor, Cavite by additional 11.7 kilometers, which includes 8 passenger stations with provision for 2 additional future passenger stations, a satellite depot for light maintenance to be located at the southern end of the proposed line, and intermodal facilities installed at high-demand stations, including the provision of additional rolling stocks to meet the current demand and additional load requirements once the MRT Line 3 and LRT Line 1 are integrated. MRT-LRT Expansion Program. Privatization of LRT-1 operation and maintenance. The project aims to integrate LRT Line 1 operation and maintenance to a private sector service provider during the interim period of 3 to 4 years. After this O&M period, the LRT Line 1 South Extension Project contractor is expected to assume overall responsibility for the integrated LRT Line 1 and MRT Line 3 systems. MRT-LRT Expansion Program. Privatization of MRT-3 operation and maintenance. The project aims to integrate MRT Line 3 operation and maintenance to a private sector service provider during the interim period of 3 to 4 years. After this O&M period, the LRT Line 1 South Extension Project contractor is expected to assume overall responsibility for the integrated LRT Line 1 and MRT Line 3 systems. New Bohol Airport Development. The project involves the construction of a new airport of international standards with 2,500-meter by 45-meter runway to replace the existing Tagbilaran Airport. Puerto Princesa Airport Development. The project involves the rehabilitation and improvement of the existing Puerto Princesa Airport to meet the standards of the International Civil Aviation Organization through the construction of new landside facilities in the northwestern side of the existing runway, such as Passenger Terminal Building, Control Tower, Administration and Operation Building, Cargo Terminal Building, Rescue and Firefighting Building and other support facilities, the construction of new apron and connecting taxiways, upgrading of the existing 2.6-kilometer runway and its strip, and the provision of new navigational and traffic control equipment. New Legaspi, Daraga Airport Development. The project involves the preparation of the detailed engineering design and construction of airport facilities. It also includes land acquisition of about 180 hectares. Project components are the following: landside passenger terminal, cargo building, control tower, administration building, vehicle parking area, and other site development. Privatization of Laguindingan Airport operation and maintenance. The project involves the privatization of the operation and maintenance of the Laguindingan Airport, Misamis Oriental, to reduce government expenditure and increase current and future service levels of the airport. The operations and maintenance through concession covers the newly constructed airport on a 393-hectare property, complete with facilities of international standards. The airport can accommodate 1.2 million passengers per year based on its master plan. Covering developments in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, all showcase substantial opportunities we can seize. From expressways to railroads and airports, all to help improve transportation, tourism, and many economic activities. All present advantages we can gain by working as one.